Hello, wonderful traders. Dadas here, speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room on Discord. Please join my Discord server. I need some more English speakers. I really don't have English speakers there yet, so please join my Discord server. Anyways, time for my daily recap today. So let's have a quick look at what the DAX 30 market did today, because that's what I'm trading. Well, basically, the market wasn't very clear today. During the Asian session, after a bit of a upwards consolidation type movement, it went down, then it started consolidating sideways again. And it consolidated sideways all the way until the opening of the London session, and then it went down and came back up again. Well, you could say that there's a formation of a double top right there, so basically everything would seem like the market would be going down. Anyways, I was before I saw this double top, I was already looking here, and I thought that the market would be going down from here. Well, unfortunately, the market took out my stop loss, and because it was moving up dynamically and broke in the upwards direction, broke this consolidation. So I decided to turn around and take a quick trade with my three lots in order to make up for this loss, which here I did. Later on, the market behaved more clearly right here at this level. So basically, the market was under some resistance and going down, so I jumped in, and this trade was a pretty nice one at 21 pips, 0.6 lots. Then the next situation right here, right there, after this pullback, I also saw that the market was like did the classical breakdown, a little bit up, breakdown again, so I went in. However, after this candle had closed, I saw these two lines, so that means consolidation. That's why I got out of that trade. However, just directly on the next trade, the market broke down and then found a new resistance right there. So there was an opportunity to get in, but somehow I failed to get in there, so I wasn't chasing the market. Now, later on, we see a sideways movement again, with a nicely plotted consolidation right there. I decided to go short here. That was a mistake. Basically, it was a mistake because of the fact that the market actually didn't break the consolidation, so it was still inside this sideways range movement. And when it broke out right here, I waited a little bit, and when it came back, I simply closed the trade with a loss and turned around. Well, if I had been quicker, I would have gotten a better price, but the market ran away quite quickly. So I then closed at the moment where I had my loss recovered and a little bit of a profit, and the market went up again, but then you see it turned around backwards and started going down. So this is the type of situation where basically an unexperienced trader would probably have difficulties in getting any profit. More likely, an unexperienced trader would have taken a stop loss at this, getting in the market right here, and then most probably they would have gotten in along somewhere higher up there and gotten another stop loss, which would have been pretty frustrating. Well, it is. This type of market is pretty frustrating because, as you can see, I got the stop loss there, and still, if I wouldn't have taken the stop loss right there and held out all this loss, I would have been later on in profit, right? Which is basically what most people do, and that's why most people lose money, because there will come a time when the market will not return, and they will be waiting for the market for return, and they will lose everything that they had accumulated before. Why? Because they're not trading, because they are practicing wishing. Basically, some people say that you need to be like a machine here. Yeah, basically that's true, because every time we think too much, we are not trading, we are thinking and wishing. And so, in other words, when we are trading, we have the mathematical, the math behind us, because, if we only have at least 50% profit, 50% win to loss ratio, and we manage our money properly, the math says we must be winning in the long run. So the only thing we need to do is to trade, really, right? But that's only my opinion. You shouldn't listen to it. Okay, so as we see, I wasn't trading right here. The situation was again pretty clear after this movement, because again we have some kind of a double top, and we can look at these levels right there, right? As the major resistance levels, and then there is this consolidation right here, and this consolidation, and a breakdown from this consolidation. So there could have been an opportunity to go along with the market somewhere right there. Anyway, that was my kind of a break from trading, where I went outside to I didn't socialize anybody. I get social distances, but I have my own piece of land where I can do whatever whatever. You can never do whatever you wish, because but anyways, I don't need to socialize with anybody. Anyways, later on I did about the same kind of thing. I went in short right there. So basically the whole day is like win, lose, make up, lose, make up, lose, make up. Only two trades that went in the right direction. Why did I go short here? Because I interpreted this candle as a breakdown, and this as a pullback to the level where they should be starting going down. Now, basically, this is not the way I was trading before, but somehow I've decided to try out this Sam Seidens method, and it doesn't work for me. It doesn't work for me. Basically, this is a level where they should be, where the market theoretically should be going down. Well, it wasn't going down; it was going up. And then you see, I had to jump in again with 3 lots to recover my loss. Where I did well at this situation, I didn't fully recover my loss right here. I was a few dollars behind, but on the general, the whole day was in profit. Yeah, but you see again that again another situation where the market went up and then it went down again, where this where it looks like the price I entered was exactly somewhere around the middle price, right? The middle, because it went up and went down about the same distance, more or less, right? Plus minus a few pips. And you see that it went down and went back up again, and now it again went down. So basically, even though my indicator here is not showing a decisive, consolidation here, but on the other hand, we have a support, and we have pretty much a demand zone right here, there's nothing here, so it's a demand zone. So basically, yeah, I could have been trading, but then again, you see, if I were to do the same thing as I tried here, and if I were to do this right there, so in other words, to enter long when the price is going down, I don't feel comfortable with that. I completely don't feel comfortable with that. And because the market so often shows me that it's, I mean, like, what is the difference between this zone right here, where there was a pretty big supply right here, and the zone wasn't retested before, and what is the difference, and right here where I don't know, this demand is just about the same type as this here, and the price came back here. It's also it's so of the same character. It hadn't been retested. This one hadn't been retested. However, right there the market went higher. Right there the market turned back. So I'm sorry, but without seeing the actual pending orders of big banks and big institutions, I'm not able to say whether there is enough supply right here for the market to move back, or whether there is enough demand right here for the market to jump back. I need to rely on something else. I need to rely on price action. I need to rely on such elements like breakouts from consolidations. So yeah, so you could say that, yeah, if the consolidation is right there, right, even though it's not a clear one, then that's basically that's the breakout that I should be, or somewhere right here, that's the breakout that I should be trading in order to get my pips. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks a lot. This is the daily recap for today, and so please please subscribe if you already haven't, and join my Discord server. And of course, all the links are below in the descriptions. Thanks a lot for today. See you next time. Bye.